All right, welcome back, everybody. Today, we're going to be doing our second day on multiplying radicals. So if we're going through, I'm not going to go through a ton of problems with you. I really want today to be more of like a practice day for you more than anything else. So I'm going to go definitely through a few of these. And if you're still having questions on it, my advice to you would be to go back and watch the other video. So remember, what we talked about yesterday is that when we are trying to multiply radicals, we only need to multiply the like parts. What that means is that in a radical, there's an outside number and there is an inside number. And if you're trying to multiply two radicals together, you only need to multiply the like parts. So you're only going to multiply the outside with the outside, and you're going to multiply the inside with the inside. Now, one thing you're never going to do is you're never going to mix an outside number with an inside number. So let's look at this first one. In this first one, we don't have any outside numbers. The only things we both have are just inside. So we're going to multiply those together. 15 times 12, I'm not familiar with that one, so I'm going to multiply it out. 15 times 12 is 180. So we can come over here and write this out as 180. Now our job's not done there. We need to simplify every one of these problems that we do. So 180 would break down into be 90 and 2. 90 would be 45 and 2. 45 would be 9 and 5. And 9 would be 3 and 3. So when we break this down, we can rewrite 180 as 2 times 2, right? Because we had 2, 2, 3, 3, and 5. 2, 2, 3, 3, 5. Perfect. Now what we want to do is anytime we have a pair of numbers, we want to pull one of those to the outside. So I'm going to have a 2 on the outside. I have a pair of 3s, so I'm going to pull one of those to the outside. So I'm going to have 3 times 2 on the outside. That's going to give us 6 square roots of 5. And we're done, just like that. Let's do one more of those. How about number 7? Let's do 7. So when I come over here, again, these are the like parts. They're both the inside numbers. So let's multiply them together, and they're going to give us our inside. 15 times 15 is 225. This is the new part. After this, everything else is review, because you know how to simplify these. So let's break it down. 225, I know 5 is going to go into there. 5 goes in 45 times. 45 is just 9 and 5, and 9 is 3 and 3. So I can rewrite this as the square root of 3 times 3 times 5 times 5. Now, if you have any of the same things, so in this case we had 2 3s, we're going to pull one out. If you have 2 5s, we're going to pull one of those out. So we're going to have a 3 on the outside and a 5 on the outside. 5 times 3 is 15. And since we didn't have anything left inside, there's no more square root. That part disappears. So 15 is our final answer. Those are the easy ones, when there's just inside numbers. The ones that are a little bit harder are when you get outside numbers too. So let's do one. So how about, let me pick a good one for you. How about this one? Number 12. So when I get to this problem, you always want to multiply the like parts. So 5 times negative 5. Those are both the outside numbers, so we're going to multiply them together. So 5 times negative 5. That's going to give us a negative 25 on the outside. Now the inside is going to come from when we multiply the inside numbers. So 3 and 20. 3 times 20 is 60. At this point, all of the new stuff is done. You just need to simplify. So 60 is going to be, how about 3 and 20? 20 is just 2 and 10. 10 is 2 and 5. So I can really come over here and rewrite this as 25 square roots of 2, 2, 3, 5. 2 and 2, I can pull that out. 2 for 1 specialist, so I'm going to have 25 times 2 on the outside. And then 3 times 5 will give us a 15 on the inside. 2 times 25, or negative 25, will give us a negative 50 square roots of 15. Nice job. Let's do one more, maybe a harder one. Here's one. This one's kind of unique. So when you get to a problem like this, it's easy to get thrown off because we only see one outside number. But don't forget, you can always put a 1 in front over here as well. So we have -1 times -2. Hopefully, we know that -1 times -2 is going to give us a +2. Now we're still going to have our square root. And then we're going to have 12 times 15. So 12 times 15 is what's going to give us our number inside the square root. 12 times 15 is 180. Now we just need to simplify. So let's break down 180. 180 would be 2 and 90. 90 would be 2 and 45. 45 would be 9 and 5. And 9 is 3 and 3. So my code would be 22335. So when I rewrite this, I'm going to have a 2 on the outside. I'm going to have my 22335. Let's do any 2-for-1 specials. We can pull out a 2. We can pull out a 3. Looks like we still have a 5 that's inside. And then to get our outside, 2 times 3 times 2 is 12. So our final answer will be 12 square roots of 5. Just like that, kids. That's how we multiply. Now, if you have any questions about that process, my advice to you is to go back. We do have the video from yesterday that's going to basically give you some more problems like this. If you have any other questions, though, feel free to reach out. I'm always here to help. Thank you guys so much for watching the full video. Good luck on your homework. Remember, the rest of them are yours to finish. Have a good day.